Alright people, how are we today? As you can see, I have a tube of terror here. Ooh, last time I did one of these, it was quite difficult and I was in a touch of pain after. So today, I'm going to try and do two. I say try. So this is going to be quite a long video, I'm afraid guys, so I'm just going to get straight in. The tube is sealed, as you can see. Gloves, courtesy of my boss, that he doesn't know, but thank you very much. Excuse the table manners. And oh, playing it. They're pretty hot nuts, quite tasty, if I'm honest. They're sweet once you get past the heat. That's all the nuts out of that one. So it's a 15-minute challenge, the understood rules as opposed to the misunderstood rules. No food or drink throughout the challenge. You have 10 minutes to finish the tube, 1 or 2 nuts at a time. After 10 minutes up, you must endure a 5-minute afterburn. Timer ready. Last time I did it, I just went really quick and I ended up having about an 11-minute afterburn. Right, you see the nuts there, all on camera. Yeah. Right. Let's go. Let's not go. Come on. 10 minutes. They're made with Jumbo XL Virginia peanuts, pure cane sugar, Carolina Reaper peppers, ghost peppers, chocolate bootler, 7-pot brain strain, 7-pot douglas, Moruga scorpion, sea salt, 30 million capsaicin crystal spice. That's what adds the heat. Kind of creeps up on you rather than being punched in your face. They are tasty. Starting to heat up. Got the Death Nut 3.0. I'll talk about that after I've had these. I can't help but go fast when I'm doing these sort of challenges. Get them on board and worry about the burn after. It's kind of my routine, I think. Excuse me, that's tickling the old throat. Ooh. Don't want to be losing one. Ooh. The first time I did this one far of finishing. Excuse me, one far of finishing. My dude. Excuse me. That heat's catching up with me now. Oh, that's an intense burn on my tongue. Give me a second, a bit of talk. Less painful than the first time I did it. Having said that, still pretty painful. Do you know what? I think I could do too. It's still some challenges that. My favourite time. Endorphin rush. The Death Note 3.0. The last section of that is 16 million capsaicin crystals. 3 more than the tube. 3 more million in the tube. It's gonna be unreal. 5-minute afterburn. Yeah, so ascending order from mild to ridiculous. And I think the Tube of Terror 2.0 will be made up of the last section, the 16 million capsaicin crystal. Now that will be some challenge. Mouth's calming down a hell of a lot now. My throat's still on fire. I think I've got a bit of nut stuck. My stomach. That's hot. And I just know what's in store. I haven't even got any ice cream. Oh well. That guy will be waiting for another occasion. I don't know how anybody does more than one of these. I thought my tolerance is quite high. I mean, it is quite high, but I don't think it's high enough to handle 2 tubes. I don't think. Oh. Excuse me. Quite a short endorphin rush on this one. First time round, first time I did the tube. Lasted a good, I'd say a minute. I was absolutely buzzing. Really was. This was seconds. Sorry about the lack of speaking also. Just concentrating on my stomach not exploding. I've got the Rummy Bear challenge. Looking forward to doing that. 12 little Rummy Bears, Carolina Reaper Rummy Bears. That's a 10-minute challenge. Eat 4, 2-minute afterburn, I think. Eat another 4. Oh no, you've got 6 minutes to eat. Eat 4, then 6 minutes to eat another 4, and then a 2-minute afterburn. Yeah, that's right. Excuse me. Oh. My tongue is, well, my mouth is almost back to normal levels. Maybe a 2. Stomach though, that's starting to heat up. I've been suffering with cramps. Well, I think everybody does who does these sort of challenges. Well, we're coming to an end of this one. 51 seconds left. Oh, and it's Thursday today, so I've got Friday off, Saturday off, Sunday off. Might get the Rummy Bears in this weekend. Uh, 7 points for the League of Fire anyway. My eyes are starting to water. Well, thank you very much for watching, people. I appreciate all your support. Not far off 200 followers, subscribers now on YouTube. I don't know what I'm going to do for 200. 3.0 maybe. That's not 3.0. Thank you for watching. Oh gosh, I had gloves on. Just touched my eye. Thank you for watching. If you like the videos, please like, share and subscribe. Subscriptions really help, thank you very much. Comment and I'll get back to you. And I'll see you on the next one, guys. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.